Sure, thanks for being out there today. Have a good one.
KB0WLF calling CQ POTA from Kilo 5704.
Alpha Delta Zero Bravo Charlie. Sierra, leave.
Well, the equipment's guaranteed, but I have my doubts about the stuff inside.
G90 microphone, Sotabeams Carbon 6, miscellaneous adapter. Alright. Got our in-fed half wave. It's a better winder, but it's the one I've got. Instructions on how to spot myself using the APRS system. It's my digipeater making that noise, so that's good. Let's go run us an antenna. Oh, fishing line swivel there.
Slowly, please. All I got was 4 Quebec Oscar Tango. Kilo November 4 Quebec Oscar Tango. Kilo November 4 Quebec Oscar Tango. I had you 53 into Kilo 2729. Kilo 2729. QSL.
Is that a Kilo Alpha 8?
Okay, Kilo Alpha 8 November Alpha Bravo. You are 5-5 in northeastern Ohio.
Kilo Alpha 8, November Alpha Bravo. I copy the 5-5. You are 5-7. 5-7 in the park. QSL?
QSL, and I didn't get your full call.
QSL, it is Kilo Bravo 0 Whiskey Lima Foxtrot. KB0 WLF in Kilo 5704. QSL?
QSL, very good. Okay, have fun hunting.
I appreciate you hunting me today. Appreciate it. This is KB0WLF calling CQ POTA from Kilo 5704, Indian Trail Conservation Area in Missouri. CQ POTA, KB0WLF.
Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa, India Charlie Papa. Whiskey 2, Victor, Delta. November Golf, 8 Zulu. Kilo Charlie 3, Hotel Mike Bravo.
Got a November 4 Whiskey Mike Bravo. You're 5 and 8. 5 and 8 here in the park, QSL.
Thank you very much for 5-8 into the park. You're 5-9er, South Carolina.
Copy the 5-9 South Carolina. Thank you so much. 7-3 CQ POTA.
Kilo Echo 1 Alpha Bravo.
Caught a Alpha Bravo at the tail end. Alpha Bravo at the end, please.
Kilo Echo 1 Alpha Bravo.
Kilo Echo 1 Alpha Bravo. You're 5 and 9. 59 in the park, QSL.
QSL, you are 5-9 Rhode Island. QSL.
QSL the 5-9 in Rhode Island. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you for activating and good luck.
I need it. KB0WLF from Kilo 5704 calling CQ POTA.
November Charlie 4, Mike India.
Heard it, November Charlie 4, is that correct?
November Charlie 4, Mike India, Chris.
November Charlie 4. November Charlie 4, Mike India. You are 5 and 9. 59 in the park, QSL.
Roger, Roger. Thank you very much for the park. Could you give me the number, please? I missed it the last time. Chris, my name is Bill, Bravo India, Lima, Lima. You are 5-9 plus into Black Mountain, North Carolina. Over.
Well, that's amazing. We're running 20 watts here. Thank you for the 5-9, Bill. I appreciate it. The name here is Chris, of course, and we are at Kilo 5704. That's Indian Trail Conservation Area here in Missouri. QSL?
QSL, thank you very much for the new park, and good luck. KB0WLF and C4MI, 7-3, God bless.
7-3, thanks for hunting. KB0WLF from 5704, Indian Trail Conservation Area. CQ POTA.
November 5, Romeo, November Foxtrot. November 7, Delta, and 7-8. What state are you in? What state are you in? Bravo.
This is Kilo Bravo 0, Whiskey Lima Foxtrot at Kilo 5704. That's Indian Trail Conservation Area in Missouri. Mike Oscar, the state is Missouri. KB0WLF calling CQ.
Or Mike November Foxtrot.
Mike November Foxtrot.
Kilo 4, Mike November Foxtrot. You are 5 and 9 into my park. Kilo 1256. 1256.
Copy the 5-9 into 1256. You're also 5-9. Also 5-9 into 5704. QSL?
QSL the 5-9 into 5704. Have a great activation.
Thank you so much. KB0WLF in the state of Missouri, Kilo 5704. Really loud signal from Whiskey 8. Whiskey 8, please.
Whiskey 8, Tango Alpha Mike.
Whiskey 8, Tango Alpha Mike. You're 5-9. 5-9 in the park, QSL.
Roger, Roger. I have you 5 and 5 here in Michigan, Mike India. Roger.
Copy the 5-5 in Michigan, Mike India. Thank you so much for hunting.
7-3.
7-3, KB0WLF calling CQ POTA.
Alpha Golf 4, Hotel Golf. You are 5-9, Tango November.
I got it. Alpha Golf 4 Hotel Golf. You gave me a 5-9 and you're 5-9 plus. Big signal here in the park. QSL?
QSL, 73.
7-3, thank you so much. This is Kilo Bravo 0, Whiskey Lima Foxtrot, calling CQ POTA from Kilo 5704, Indian Trail State Conservation Area in Missouri. CQ POTA.
Victor Alpha 3, Charlie Papa.
Victor Alpha 3, Charlie Papa. I have you 5-6. 5-6 in the park. QSL?
QSL, Chris, I've got you 55 in Hamilton, Ontario today. Hope you have a great activation there. Echo 3, Bravo, Sierra, Romeo. I am in park. Victor Echo 6091. We're about a 5-2 into Ontario, Canada. QSL?
56, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for hunting.
Roger.
73, KB0WLF calling CQ POTA from Kilo 5704, Indian Trail Conservation Area in Missouri. CQ POTA.
Whiskey 8, November,
Whiskey 8, Whiskey
Golf.
November Golf.
Whiskey 8, November, Whiskey Golf.
Whiskey 8, November Whiskey Golf. I'm not getting any better. You are 5 and 8. 58 in the park, QSL.
QSL, thanks for the 5-8. You're 5-5, Illinois.
Copy 5-5 in Illinois from Whiskey 8, November Whiskey Golf. 7-3.
7-3.
KB0WLF calling CQ POTA. CQ POTA, CQ POTA from Kilo 5704 in Missouri. Kilo Charlie 8, Lima Uniform Bravo. Okay, I recognize the call now. You are 5 and 6. 56 in the park, QSL.
Hey, QSL, you're 5-6 down here in Tennessee on 40 meters. Thanks for letting me there, 7-3.
Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? KB0WLF.
I wonder if it'd be louder with bigger wires.
Is the frequency in use? KB0WLF. This is KB0WLF calling CQ POTA.
November 8, Alpha Juliet Mike.
November 8, Alpha Juliet Mike. QSL? I copy the 5-5, California. I copy the 5-5. You are 5 and 4, 54, 5 and 4 in the park. QSL?
I have you also 5656 into Kilo 9152, Kilo 9152, QSL.
Copy the 5-6 into Kilo 9152. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for the park to park. Good luck.
Thank you, and 7-3. This is KB0 Whiskey Lima Foxtrot calling CQ POTA from Kilo 5704.
November 7, Hotel Delta Delta.
November 7, Hotel Delta Delta.
QSL, I've got you about 5-8 up here in northern Idaho this afternoon.
QSL, you're 5-9 plus. 5-9 plus in the park, QSL.
QSL on the 5-9 plus into Kilo 5704. 73, thanks for your activation.
7-3, appreciate it. Appreciate you hunting me down on 10 meters. KB0WLF calling CQ POTA from Kilo 5704, Indian Trail Conservation Area in Missouri.
CQ 17, this is the Battleship Iowa, NI6BB, November India 6 Bravo, November India 6 Bravo, the Battleship. Oscar 4, Golf Alpha Romeo, activating park, Kilo 2726, CQ POTA.
KB0 Whiskey Lima Foxtrot Park to Park.
Okay, the Kilo Bravo 0, come again.
Kilo Bravo 0 Whiskey Lima Foxtrot. Kilo Bravo 0 Whiskey Lima Foxtrot. Over.
Roger, Kilo Bravo 0 Whiskey Lima Foxtrot. Go ahead with your park, sir.
QSL, it is Park 5704, Kilo 5704, and you are 5 and 5. Kilo 5704, you are 5 and 5, 55.
Roger. I got your 5704. I've got you 5555 in park. Kilo 2726, yourself.
Copy the 5-5 into 2726. Copy the 5-5. You're doing great on 5 watts. We're running big guns here. We're running 20 watts, 20 watts here in the park. QSL.
QSL, are you on a G90 Alpha?
That's a QSL G90.
It's here at last, the new two-way wrist radio that keeps you in constant touch with your buddies.
Thank you so much for the park to park, and y'all enjoy y'all's activation, and I'll see you down the road, my friends.
I appreciate your activation in the park to park. Have a great day. 7-3.
Yes, sir. 73. QRZ.
last call for Indian Trail Conservation Area in Missouri. This is KB0WLF. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. That is some contacts there. Oh my goodness. Thanks everybody.
KB0WLF, Salem, Missouri.
Yours is beginning to get a notion.
This is Solo Scout. I'm Oscar Mike.